Okay, so we're taking a look at the Gala Games chart right now. You could see we had the blow off top really to start February, guys. End of January, we topped out here at about almost 6.5 cents. Right now, we're sitting at a little over 3.5 cents, trying to get back to 4 cents. In the last couple of days, we've seen some nice positive price action. In fact, yesterday we did pop up over 4 cents momentarily. We're trying to reclaim that again. We've seen some momentum come back into Gala Games, and we're going to talk about why that may be, and where Gala is right now in terms of some other news surrounding blockchain gaming, surrounding their ecosystem, and what have you. So Gala crypto price rises as token holders crawl back into Gala. So the number of unique holders, this is that number you see on the title. Number of unique holders now is 212,808 at the time of this recording. Gala's price has bounced back a little bit. And now listen, it's plunged by more than 35% from the highest point in February, and especially there in late January. But we had a just blow off top there to start the year for Gala. There was just so many bullish pieces of news. People were super excited. And of course, people are going to take profits along the way when you 3.5, 4x, like Gala did. But Gala Games, as we know, or maybe you don't, it's one of the biggest players in the blockchain gaming industry. In my opinion, it's the biggest in the industry. And it's not just because they're building out multiple games, which I love, but now they're into PC gaming, they're into mobile gaming, and mobile gaming is an area of huge growth. And they just bought and acquired a major mobile gaming company, and that is going to set them apart. Now, some of their games on their platform that are gaining the most traction, Miranda's, Spider Tanks, Town Crash, among some others. Analysts expect that the gaming industry will continue to do well in the coming months, and it could be one of the next big sectors in the cryptocurrency market to explode. Most of this growth will probably come from Asian countries like South Korea and Japan, which have a huge amount of exposure to gaming already. Now, some Chinese companies are also building blockchain games, of course, others in the United States and other countries around the globe. If the industry succeeds, Gala Games has all the ingredients it needs to become the leading player in the sector, in my personal opinion. And it has the expertise, the leadership. The founder was created from Zynga, a company that was acquired in an $11 billion deal in 2022. Further, it has an active developer base. There's development happening right now, and it's pushing. And now we have the mobile side of it, which is continually building games for the ecosystem. There are now tens of games in development. Most importantly, the developers are creating their own chain. That was some other news that came out earlier this year. This will certainly boost its speeds and lower the transaction costs. We talked about the burning of the supply. Gala Games developers are making it possible for most of their games to be available in mobile platforms. This is going to be a huge shift, both for Android and iOS. These actions are going to make this ecosystem far more robust than any other ecosystem in gaming out there, in my personal opinion, and available to billions of people from around the world. On-chain metrics already show that the number of Gala token holders has risen in the past few days, and really since the start of 2023. It now has over, again, 212,000 holders. The number of transfers has jumped to more than 2 million. As shown below, the number of unique holders, transfer amount, and unique senders has been resilient. You can see that right here on the chart. So Gala Games, certainly one to watch. We have to go way back here to August to see Gala up above 7 cents. I do think we were going to get there and far beyond it in the next bull cycle here. Of course, the daily chart has Gala's price in a strong downward trend in the past few days. In this period, it has fallen by more than 30% as the industry sentiment worsens. The 25-day and 50-day moving averages have made a bearish crossover pattern, while the price remains below the key resistance point at 0.048, the highest point on October 30th. Therefore, Gala will likely continue falling as sellers target the support level at 3 cents, which is about 23% below the current price level. But as I've always said, it just provides another big opportunity ahead of the next bull cycle. I'll be looking to acquire more Gala if we continue to fall. Appreciate you guys as always. Gala Games, certainly a heavy, heavy favorite long term in the gaming sector. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.